Bruh.
So, your boy made a oopsie.
Oh no.
So we was gonna go kayaking this morning. Kind of cold out. I was gonna fish on these bluff walls over across the way. Got the kayaks out. Started getting my outrigger set up. And Gwen asked me, "Hey, where's the paddles?" They're at home, under the couch. So, no yakking today. So the yaks are in the back with nobody in them because we don't have paddles. So we're just going to wind up, or I am going to wind up walking that bank line. Hopefully pulling a fish off somewhere over there. So, we'll see if we can turn a frown upside down. Let's go. So as you already know, kayaking did not work this morning, and we are going to go try creek fishing for Lily, mostly. Of course I'm going to fish. I can't go to water and not fish. Are we going to catch something?
Yes!
Alright, what do we got? We got worms out of our own backyard, didn't we? Alright. So, I got my wife a worm farm. We're working on that. And we went and found those under some little logs and stuff we have laying around. So we're going to try to fish with that. The reason we're fishing with real bait is when we went to the Expo, she put a little coupon card in the mystery tackle box vendor, and it gave her a bobby with a hook and some sinker and a sinker. Yeah. So we're going to try to use it and catch our fish. And she's really excited. Normally she wants to be on her TV and stuff like that. And I told her, I said, hey, do you want to go fish? And she was like, yeah. And I set it up for her. So as we're going to do, you can't tell a kid that if they want to fish, don't. Just take them fishing. Get them outside. Much rather be outside than inside looking at a TV screen. And she wants the camera.
Yeah.
Are you doing beat roll?
Yeah, I'm showing the camera the outside.
Touch the window with it.
Okay.
Show them crankbait right there. Back up some. Whoa, looky there.
Have you seen that before? Have you? I'm showing the camera. Don't look at me. This. I was just going to show the outside.
Now we're headed to the creek.
Yep.
Leave it there. Watch your bobby.
I'm going to put it.
Wait for it to take off, okay? All right, reel.
I have one.
Reel.
I have one. It's a baby one. I have a baby fish.
All right, reel. All right. You like that?
Yeah.
Easy. Grab it.
Grab it.
All right.
Oh, it's slippery.
Yep. Here, hold this.
I hold it. It's fin. Look at that. Do you see that? I caught a baby fish.
There it is.
Yep. I'm going to hold it. Oh, I was
Get
going to
back
hold
in
it.
there.
I wanted to hold
You
it.
did it. Look at me. You did it.
I still did it.
High five.
Yay. High five.
Good
Let me
job.
Get the camera high
High
five.
five. Toot. All right.
That was amazing. Let's do that again.
We're going to rehook.
There's no more fishy food.
No. You did an awesome job, boo.
Yes, I'm so proud of myself.
I'm proud of you.
I caught a fish before.
Yeah, but not by yourself like that.
No. No. I never did it by myself. I am so proud of myself.
All right, hand me your hook.
You catched one? No, no, no! Going in the wiggle. I wanted to hold it, but it went in the wiggle itself. Squeak. Squeaky, my squeaky. Squeaky, my squeaky. My squeaky, my squeaky, my squeaky.
Well, GoPro's dead, but
Yeah, you still have it.
Coosa bass.
Daddy?
Uh-huh.
Why aren't you just gonna throw it out?
Look how fat. She's definitely about to spawn.
Oh, goodness.
Super fat.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
I'll take a picture.
No, I got it. Hold on.
Okay, I'm watching. Oh my god! Oh my goodness. Whatever I can say. Oh my goodness. Show that closer to the camera. Oh my goodness.
She is fat.
Can I pedal? Ooh.
Alright, let me have my camera so I can let it go. Alright, here she goes. See if we can catch another. No stop. Alright, well that is going to be it for today. We caught what, 3 fish, Lily?
Yeah.
3?
Yeah.
After none this morning, forgetting the paddles on the kayak, was actually able to come out here and catch some fish. Lily actually caught one by herself.
Yeah.
Jeez, a foot. Alright, if you like our videos, leave us a like. Subscribe if you want to see more. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.
Let's do that again.